today we're doing a waste audit on Wellington Chocolate Factory, and what that really means is that we're rummaging through their garbage. We're going through the bags of waste that are going to the landfill and also the bags of waste that are going to recycling. We're seeing what's going in there. We're kind of separating it all out into its different kinds, its different sorts. We weigh it all, so we're quantifying how much waste they're producing and also what they're doing with it. So for example, we're separating the paper and the cardboard and the plastic from the food waste and the chocolate waste, not that there is much chocolate waste. We're kind of quantifying everything that they're producing as a waste stream so that we can give them some recommendations on the best way to dispose of all that to make sure it goes to the most sustainable places. So Wellington Chocolate Factory are a really well-known ethical, sustainable business in Wellington. They do amazing things like send waka off to the Pacific Islands to bring back, organic, fair trade cocoa beans that they make into amazing chocolate on site. They're doing all the right things. Their heart's in the right place. They truly have got great values when it comes to having a minimal impact on people and the planet.
So here at the Chocolate Factory we're making all of our chocolate right from cocoa bean right through to hand wrapping everything ourselves, so we're a bean to bar chocolate factory. It's really important to us to reduce our environmental footprint because we'd love to be a zero waste centre, so that we're making beautiful chocolate but we're also not harming the environment. So at the moment we're trying our very hardest to do as much as we possibly can to reduce our impact on the environment. We're recycling with our waste products such as the cocoa husks. We're donating them to gardeners and beer brewers, so that's the kind of thing, but we know that there's always room for improvement. And so we brought in the Sustainability Trust to help us with a waste audit to see where we might be able to improve.
So waste audits for businesses are great because a lot of businesses are really interested and concerned about reducing their environmental footprint. So they're interested in reducing the waste that's going to landfill, and they want to make sure that they're efficient, they're financially efficient and they're environmentally efficient. When we came and saw these guys, when they first asked us to do a waste audit for them, we noticed how little waste they had. There's a lot of machinery to process their chocolate. They've got a lot of heat related devices, melting stuff and churning stuff and grinding it up, which uses a lot of electricity. So we recommended that they get an energy audit, really, which is an assessment of how much electricity they're using in the production facility. So we've got our energy auditors on site here today, also measuring how much energy they're using to see if we can reduce their carbon footprint that way as well.